How to make money. With affiliate programs, it really pays to work well with others. Also known as referral programs, affiliate programs are normally commission-based sales. You'll recommend a site to your visitors and then pick up a percentage of any sale that those visitors make. You'll benefit from the commission and the merchant benefits from the sales. If you already have a website set up, you can run an affiliate program from it, or you can simply build a site to promote a particular product or service. As long as it brings in more cash than it takes to build or run it, you'll be fine. With any marketing program, you'll need to be careful when you select an affiliate program. The benefit of an affiliate program will give you another way to make money from your users. Instead of selling them a product, you simply send them to a partner, then take a cut of the profits. Even though it may seem tempting to go for programs with the highest commissions, those programs won't pay you anything if your visitors don't buy them. Below, you'll find some tips to help you select an affiliate program that's right for you. 1. Do not accept any less than 25% with commission. You can find many programs with great payment structures and high percentages of pay in just about any field. 2. Look for statistic pages that list the number of click-throughs, sales, and earnings so you'll be able to see how you are doing. 3. Always look for programs that offer a wide variety of tools to put on your website, including banners, text links, and of course graphics. 4. Find out how often you'll be paid and be sure that the payment schedule meets with your own expectations. Some programs will pay monthly, while others will pay quarterly. 5. Be sure that top-level support is included. If they can't answer your questions in a quick and timely manner, you don't want to work with them. Once you learn what you are doing with affiliate programs, you can make a lot of money. If you are just starting out, you should always use common sense and not rush into anything. As you become more familiar with how things work, you'll be well on your way to making a lot of money, and enjoying making it. If you have to work hard, you'll be glad you did.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.